Zoho Books is an accounting software that includes time tracking features, but is it the right choice for you? Today, we're diving into 12 things you need to know before committing to Zoho Books for your business. Stick around till the end, and we'll help you decide whether Zoho Books is the best option or if there's a better solution out there for you. First off, Zoho Books does offer time tracking as part of its suite of features, and this can be a real time saver for businesses that need to bill clients for hours worked or track employee productivity. But how does it compare to others like QuickBooks or FreshBooks? Next thing, Zoho Books integrates time tracking seamlessly into its invoicing system. This means you can easily bill clients for the time you've tracked, and the software will automatically calculate your rates based on the time logged. This is a huge advantage over competitors, which may require you to export time data separately to create invoices. The third thing you should know is that Zoho Books offers both manual and timer-based time tracking. If you prefer to manually enter your hours, you can, but you also have the option to start a timer, which makes it easy to track time as you go. QuickBooks also offers a timer, but FreshBooks requires you to manually input time, which can be a hassle. The fourth thing, however, is that while Zoho Books allows you to track time by project or task, it doesn't have advanced features like employee scheduling or time off tracking, which you might find in other solutions like Harvest or Deputy. This could be a deal breaker if you need those features. Next up, Zoho Books supports time entry in multiple currencies, which is great for businesses with international clients. This feature is especially useful for freelancers or agencies working across borders. In contrast, FreshBooks offers currency support, but it's more limited compared to Zoho. Another thing to consider is the mobile app. Zoho Books has a mobile app that lets you track time on the go, which is convenient for those who work outside of a traditional office. While QuickBooks also has a solid app, some users report that Zoho's app is easier to navigate. The seventh thing is the cost. Zoho Books offers affordable pricing plans, starting at just $15 per month. While QuickBooks can get pretty expensive, especially for teams, Zoho Books remains a competitive option for small to medium-sized businesses. The eighth point to note is Zoho Books' integration with other Zoho tools. If you're already using Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, or other Zoho applications, the time tracking feature integrates flawlessly with these tools, providing a more streamlined experience than you might get with other software. Next, let's talk reporting. Zoho Books provides comprehensive reports on time tracked, so you can easily see how much time was spent on projects and whether you're hitting your targets. FreshBooks and QuickBooks also have reports, but they might not be as customizable or easy to use. The 10th thing to consider is Zoho Books' user interface. While it's clean and relatively simple to use, some users find the interface a bit clunky compared to more modern solutions like FreshBooks. However, with a little time, most users get used to it. Now, when it comes to customer support, Zoho Books offers 24/7 support, which is a big plus. However, some users have complained about response times being a bit slow during peak periods. In contrast, QuickBooks generally provides more responsive customer support, but at a higher price point. The 12th thing to know is that while Zoho Books is solid for time tracking, it doesn't offer as many project management features as tools like Harvest or Monday.com. If you're looking for deep project management capabilities in addition to time tracking, you might want to explore other options. So, Zoho Books is a solid choice if you're looking for an affordable, reliable accounting software with time tracking features built in. It's great for small businesses and freelancers who want seamless time tracking and invoicing, but it might not have all the bells and whistles that some competitors offer. If you're looking for something that offers more comprehensive project management features or better customer support, we recommend checking out our preferred solution, which you can try for free.